Hello everyone, this is Mate from Virginia. I'm still doing a review on the Toro Snowmaster 724 QXC. I'm showing the modifications I've done. It's not quite finished yet, but I do have the lights all hooked up. These side marker lights. The backlight. The second marker light and the headlight. I'm outside at the moment and it's getting a little dark. I thought I would do it at this time so you could have an idea of how bright the lights are. So this is the switch that I put on, the on-off switch. That shows somewhat how bright it is. And again, this is the Snowmaster 724 QXC. I've installed a 12-volt battery, 5 ampere hour. This right now is in the test phase. I've just got all the wires hooked up just to test it. Everything is being wired up in parallel to the battery. In case you're wondering, this is what it looks like. Everything is in parallel to the battery. Have a switch in there and 2 side lights, 1 rear downward facing light and the headlight. There is the downward facing light. All of these wires were just installed to test everything, make sure everything works. So now that I've finished testing, I'm going to be able to go ahead and install everything. Once I do that, I will be able to do another review of everything. There's the battery box. I'm also putting a fuse on the battery. Also, this right here, this is going to be my charger. So I'm going to be connecting this wire here and hot wiring it to a charger. So whenever I want to charge the battery, all I have to do is unplug this and then just plug it in, and then just plug the battery, the charger in. This is it. This is what it looks like without the lights on. This is the Alpina headlight that I installed. Again, this is the Toro Snowmaster QXC. I use wire loom to just wire everything, put all the wires inside the wire loom. And the box is mounted using some mounting brackets. Again, this is just a test setup to make sure all the lights are working. And I also did a test run with the lights to see how long they would stay on, and I got 4 hours out of them. I was really surprised. However, the side marker lights, they went off like at about 3.5 hours. But the headlight That stayed on for just over 4 hours. So I was pretty happy with that. I didn't want to go with a bigger battery because I didn't want to put something that was too big. So the 12 volt was a decent size. Plus I had this battery box. I don't remember where I ordered it from, but I had that and I said I'll just make that work instead of purchasing another one. So I'll turn the headlights on again, give you an idea of what it looks like. There's my switch that I installed along with the reflectors. So I'll turn the lights on. There it is. My downward facing light isn't that bright. I didn't want to use something too bright because I didn't want to use up too much wattage based on the battery size. Let me put my light on and show you. Well, anyway, that's the Toro Snowmaster 724 QXC personal place snowblower. Once the wiring is all connected, once I finish everything and connect everything, I will do another review. And again, this is Mate from Virginia. Thank you for watching.